This sound is created by finding some stones and picking them up and moving them around your hand. This sound is created by finding a stick, which can be found outside, and breaking it. This sound is created by finding a chain and rattling it about. This sound, you can also create sound by overlaying two different types of sound to create a completely new sound.